Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the weekly market outlook. If this is your first time on my business channel, do also click on the subscribe button and smash notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I really think most of you were expecting the weekly market analysis this weekend, but I was very busy. All right, yes, I was very busy this weekend. That's why I'm bringing you the weekly market analysis as at Monday. All right, yeah, so bear with me. Last week was good. Yes, last week was good. And the VIP, we smashed about 176 pips on AUD/USD, and that's cool for the week. All right. And then we look forward to see what will happen as far as going into a new week is concerned. Bear in mind, gradually, we are coming to the end of the month of November. And the year is almost ended. All right. Yes, I would say that this first and second week in December will likely be my last trading period so far as the year 2023 is concerned. All right. Yes, so expect 2 more weekly market analysis from me before the year end or before the end of 2023. All right. So I'll bring you the first week in December. That is a weekly market analysis in the first week of December. Then my last weekly market analysis for the year 2023 is going to be the second week in December. Once I bring you that, then know that I'll come your way again next year. So take note of that. All right. Yeah. So it's a new week. Let's see what will happen. All right. But before we go into the chat, let's look at the economic news calendar and see what is up for us so far as the economic news is concerned. On Monday, there is no high impact news. Tuesday, we have the Australia RBA meeting minutes. We have the Canadian CPI median year-over-year for the month of October. We have inflation rate year-over-year for the month of October. We have CPI trimmed median year-over-year for the month of October for Canada. We have the existing home sales month-over-month for USD. We have existing home sales for the month of October for USD. FOMC minutes for USD. I always say that this FOMC minutes doesn't really affect the market. All right, yes, we don't see any huge impact happening on the market. So normally I regard it, I disregard it. I don't even count it at all. But once it's a high impact news, we treat it as such. All right. On Wednesday, we have the UK statement here. Let me put it that way. We have a statement from the UK so far as GBP is concerned. We have durable goods order with the exception of what? Except defense month-over-month for October. We have durable goods orders except transports month-over-month for the month of October. We have durable goods orders month-over-month for the month of October for USD. Jobless claims 4-week average for November. Continuing jobless claims for the month of November for USD. Initial jobless claims for the month of November for USD. The Michigan consumer sentiment for the month of November for USD. We have the bank manufacturing PMI for Australia. We have the bank service PMI for Australia. So that's that for Wednesday. On Thursday, we have a Labor Thanksgiving holiday for the Bank of Japan. So don't expect much movement in the JPY crosses. All right. We also have Thanksgiving Day for USD, which is also a bank holiday. So on Thursday, the USD crosses expect some level of silence in those markets. We have the service PMI for the month of October for France. We have manufacturing PMI for the month of November for France. We have service PMI for the month of November for Germany. Manufacturing PMI for the month of November for Germany. Service PMI for the Eurozone. Manufacturing PMI for the Eurozone. We have the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI for the month of November for GBP. We have service PMI for the month of November for GBP. We have retail sales year-over-year for the third quarter so far as NZD is concerned. We have retail sales quarter-over-quarter for the third quarter so far as NZD is concerned. Inflation rates year-over-year for the month of October for JPY. On Friday, we have business climate for the month of November for Germany. We have the speech for Eurozone. We have retail sales year-over-year for the month of September for Canada. Retail sales except autos for the month-over-month for the month of September for Canada. Retail sales month-over-month for the month of September for Canada. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI for the month of November for USD. then S&P Global Services PMI for the month of November for USD. So these are the high impact news you're expecting in the market so far as going into a new week or this week is concerned. All right, yeah, so that is just that for the economic news calendar. Let's look at what is happening so far as the chart is concerned. So for the dollar index, I mean, last week I made you aware that I'm expecting to see price push to the downside to take out the previous 40-day high, and look at how beautifully price moved. We had a beautiful impulse move to the downside to take out the 40 days high. All right, and right after that we saw a little bit of a correction to the upside, and we are seeing price now pushing to the downside. I'm still expecting the dollar index to push to the downside. All right, my next drawn liquidity is at 103, and as well as the previous 60-day low. All right, but what I'm expecting to happen immediately is the 103 level. All right, yes, then the next one is going to be the previous 60-day low, that is the 102 level. So expect that. All right, I'm still expecting to see the dollar index push to the downside. So that is just that for the dollar index. Let's look at what is happening on GBPUSD. For GBPUSD, I'm expecting price to push to the upside. All right, if I'm expecting a bearish dollar, then I should expect a bullish foreign currency, and as a matter of fact, GBPUSD. I'll expect to see price push to the upside, take out this high and take out the previous 40-day high, as well as this high and the previous 60-day high. So on a long-term basis, I'm looking forward to see GBPUSD give us a bullish trend. So that is just that for GBPUSD. Let's look at what is happening on AUDUSD. For AUDUSD, I'm also expecting a bullish market. All right, for AUDUSD, we've already taken out the previous 40-day high. All right, then so the next drawn liquidity is the previous 60-day high. So I'm expecting to see price retrace a little bit, then we see a push to the upside. So that is going to be my expectation so far as AUDUSD is concerned. On a longer term basis, I'm looking forward to see a bullish trend. Let's look at what is happening on USDCAD. Yeah, for USDCAD, I'm expecting a drop. All right, I'm bearish on the dollar index, so definitely I should expect to see a drop in USDCAD, and I'm sure all these movements are just accumulation for a move to the downside. All right, yes, we are going to see some moves so far as we have high impact news for CAD and then high impact news for USD this week. So I'm expecting to see the dollar index USDCAD push to the downside, take out this low, and a previous 20-day low. All right, yes, so I'm expecting to see price push to the downside to beautifully take out this low. Then the next drawn liquidity is going to be the previous 40-day low. So for USDCAD on a longer term basis, I'll be looking for bearish prices. Let's look at what is happening on GBPJPY. Yeah, so for GBPJPY, for some time now, we've seen a turning point happening. I'm expecting to see price continue to push to the downside, take out this low as well as this low. All right, yes, so for GBPUSD, I'm expecting to see price push to the downside. We are still above the the monthly opening price, which is a premium zone for me. So for GBPJPY, I want to see price push up a little bit, then we see a push to the downside to take out this low as well as this low. All right, yeah, so that is my expectation so far as GBPJPY is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on EURJPY. For EURJPY, to same thing. All right, yes, I will expect to see price continue to push to the downside. So you might see price giving us a little bit of a push to the upside, then we see a push to the downside into this area right here. All right, so that is going to be my expectation so far as EURJPY is concerned. Let's look at what is happening on gold. Yeah, so for gold, bearish dollar, bullish gold. All right, yeah, so let's switch to the 4-hour and see what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so we've seen gold take out this high. All right, then we've seen price come back right here again. I don't want to see price push further to the downside. I want to see gold continue to push to the upside. All right, so my next draw on liquidity is going to be this high right here and then this high. So I want to see price continue to push to the upside. So that is going to be my expectation so far as gold is concerned. Last but not the least, let's look at what is happening on NASDAQ. Yeah, so NASDAQ is really pushing to the upside. All right, NASDAQ is really pushing to the upside, and as it stands now, I'm not really seeing a clear pattern for an entry. All right, I'm not seeing a clear pattern for an entry. So even though I am looking forward to see NASDAQ continue to push to the upside, there hasn't been any opportunity for an entry for me here. So I'll just have to allow it to continue to push to the upside. All right, yes, once we are bearish on the dollar index, expect NASDAQ to push to the upside. Yeah, so that is just that so far as my weekly market analysis is concerned. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet, do also click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're not part of my Telegram community, check the description box below. The link is there. Click on it and be part of the Clever Traders Telegram community and my swing trading room. My swing trading room. If you're not part of my swing trading room, trust me, you're missing a lot. Yes, you're really missing a lot. Those of you on the general community or in the general community always sees results I post from the swing trading room. So if you're not part of the swing trading room, going into next year is going to be fire. All right, yes, I'll be releasing my discount prices somewhere maybe the end of this month. Yes, my discount prices so far as next year is concerned. So I'll open up for discount in the first week of December. So the registration will run through the whole of December. Then the end of December, I'll close the discount prices for it to come back to the normal prices. So if you're not part of the swing trading room, make sure you don't miss out. All right, first of all, you need to be part of my general community. All right, that is the Clever Traders Telegram community. You need to be part of it. That is why I'm going to post the prices or the discount prices for my swing trading room entry. So if you want to be part of it, just make sure you are in the community so that once I post those price lists, you'll be able to have an opportunity to have a look at it and then select what suits you. All right, yeah, so that is just that so far as this week's market analysis is concerned. I'll come your way again another time. I wish you all good luck and good trade. Peace.